সৃষ্টি হয়। আজকে ডানলপ পরিস্থিতি নিয়ে শ্রমমন্ত্রী মৃণাল বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের সঙ্গে বৈঠকে বসেন পবন ভুইয়া। বৈঠক শেষে তিনি মুখোমুখি হয়েছেন সাংবাদিকদের। সরাসরি চলে যাব মহাকরণে।
Which we have discussed earlier itself 3 years back, which for some reason or the other was not yet completed. And third was some change in the norms of the production with the union, which we have discussed again and which is a part of this understanding.
But are you asking for any government assistance on these 3 aspects you have just talked about?
No.
Working capital?
No, we have requested government, we have appraised them that this is what the situation is. And in case if the government can speak to some bankers on the entire issue, because the meltdown situation which is going on worldwide right now, which has affected India also, and maybe the bankers might look at the proposal more betterly if the government puts a word there. These matters was not discussed with the minister. That's what I was telling actually. The matter was, we have given application to WBIDC also for the loan. Absolutely. I would not be able to say what is the view of the government because minister has only heard us right now. It was just a discussion where we mentioned them and they have heard us actually.
Mr. Ruia, যে কথাটা বললেন যে এই মেলডাউনের এফেক্ট আপনার কারখানার আপনার প্রোডাকশনের উপর পড়েছে, এই তিনটে যে কিছু শর্ত 3 বছর আগে গভর্নমেন্ট প্রতিশ্রুতি দিয়েছিল আপনাকে কিছু ট্যাক্স ওয়েভার দেওয়া হবে বা কিছু ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল বেনিফিটস দেওয়া হবে, সেগুলো বলবেন যে কি কি শর্ত রাজ্য সরকার দিয়েছিল এবং আপনি WBIDCর কাছে কত টাকা লোনের জন্য বা ব্যাংক?
Till now we have not received any incentive from government of West Bengal.
What are the incentives you are looking for?
We are looking for the incentive of the sales tax remission. Number 2, there are certain sales tax demand which is already there on the company which was done ex parte. One-sided assessment করেছে, তার we requested that these cases should be reopened. According to us, we have to receive refunds on those cases, not the demand. Besides, there are certain 2-3 other smaller matter, but the primary major point is the sales tax issue.
And what are the production norms?
That is, the production norm is very only 1 or 2 angle where they have fixed up some 15 tires, one particular machine per day a person can make. There we wanted between 20-25 tires, which is they were making earlier in Dunlop. So when it was, the agreement was made, maybe some way or the other it was done 15, so that we told them and they say fine, we can rework out the entire thing.
And coming back to the bank loan issue, have you contacted the WBIDC and asked for any loan? Or
yes, we have applied WBIDC. We have given them a proposal for sanction of the loan.
How much?
Approximately 100 crore rupees.
100 crore.
Till now, we have not yet thought of selling any land in Dunlop because it's not feasible possible right now. We are working on a production right now. So Dunlop এখন land বিক্রি করে ওই টাকাটা নিয়ে আমি জমা করব। Till now, Dunlop has not sold a single inch of land anywhere.
এরকম কোনো পরিকল্পনা আপনার নেই?
এখন নাই।
গভর্নমেন্ট কি এন্ডোর্স করবে বলেছে এগ্রিমেন্টের ক্ষেত্রে?
No, there is no endorsement required. Section 19(3) of Industrial Dispute Act, you can go and get an agreement registered with DLC. So we will sign and give the agreement to DLC for registration. It will be registered.
You inform the minister about the production now today.
We have told whatever the agreement, we have mentioned everything to them.
ব্যাংকারদের ব্যাপারে যেটা বললেন এটা কি আজকে
না, আজকে তো ব্যাংকের কোনো ম্যাটার ছিল না, কেন এখানে তো ম্যাটার আজকে
কার সঙ্গে ডিসকাশন হয়েছে? বললেন যে ব্যাংকারদের জন্য গভর্নমেন্টকে আপনি
আমার কাছে ডিসকাশন হয়নি।
চাইছে না।
হ্যাঁ, this is what we require actually. We have not discussed this matter with the honorable minister.
You want to discuss it?
No, today we have come only to appraise him about the labor situation which is there in Dunlop right now. According to me, the entire matter has been blown up out of proportion because there was nothing like that. What we were doing was completely as per agreed terms with the union. The agreement which was signed in 2006 had a clause which mentions that we can have such understanding with the union, and we did that actually.
জবে থেকে ডানলপ খোলা হয়েছে, তবে থেকে আপনি মোর দ্যান 500 crores আপনি ইনভেস্ট করেছেন, কিন্তু বারবার দেখা যাচ্ছে যে কোম্পানি কিছু একটা হলেই একটা লেবারের যারা আছে তাদের একটা প্রবলেম তৈরি হয়। আপনি এক্ষেত্রে ইউনিয়নকে কনফিডেন্স নিয়ে একটা সিদ্ধান্ত এসেছেন, ওখানকার লেবারেরদের কি কোনো মাইন্ডসেটের প্রবলেম আছে বলে আপনার মনে হয়?
I would not say there's a mindset problem, but certainly I have analyzed one basic factor there, that 3 times I tried to raise the production beyond 40 tons where we could reach. My plant is ready completely to produce 90 tons. It's already, everything has been done, but whenever we try to increase the production beyond 40 tons, some critical part of the factory goes down, and entire production goes down, and then it takes us some further time to see why it has happened, and it takes maybe 10 days, 15 days, 20 days of time, and we lose all the production, we lose connectivity. That is what is happening. So we were trying to analyze why this happened basically. But otherwise, I don't feel so there is a mindset problem, because I found the laborers and the people there are so intelligent, so nice, and they themselves want the Dunlop should work. I have been myself personally there at the site several days and nights, and I have found them extremely helpful.
মানে কেউ কোনো কনস্পিরেসি থিওরি, মানে কোনো কনস্পিরেসি কেন এটা হচ্ছে 90 টন আপনি নিয়ে যাওয়ার?
There is some issues there which we have not been able to locate, which we are trying to locate. We were in the process of locating what exactly is there. We put all the cameras there, we put all the security people there. We tried our level best to understand. Maybe we will try to, we will not be able to not do, but maybe in future we will be able to do that. But if you talk about the laborers, if you talk about things, I am not agreeing that there is a mindset which is causing them a problem. In fact, lot of benefit we got from their advice, their suggestion, which I implemented myself and seen that they have given us the results basically.
মিস্টার রুইয়া, একটা কথা যে এখন মাইন্ডসেটের প্রবলেমটা নয়, এখন হচ্ছে আপনার কাছে গোটা বিশ্ব জুড়ে যে আপনার আর্থিক যে অবস্থা এবং তার জন্য টায়ার উৎপাদনে এবং আপনার যে আর্থিক অনটন, এই সবগুলো মিলিয়ে আপনি যেটা চাইছেন যে মেমোরান্ডাম একটা চুক্তি করতে। কিন্তু একটা কথা যে এই আপনি যখন 90 টনে যখন আপনি রিচ করতে চাইছিলেন, নিশ্চয়ই তখন বাজারে আপনার চাহিদা ছিল, তাহলে এখন এই পরিস্থিতিটা আপনি কিছুটা তো অন্তত 45 টনেও তো আপনি নিয়ে যেতে পারেন।
No, I think you all are people wrongly understanding the entire thing, that the meltdown is having because of lack of demand. For Dunlop, there is no lack of demand for its products. I think that was wrongly understood by you all people when I said that meltdown is affecting the production there. No. Let me make it very clear. Selling 40 tons out of Dunlop is no issue. We have been selling. There is a dealers network throughout there. There is a CNF agents there. They are selling. We are having the orders right now with us which can give that. Our point was that because of this meltdown, the bankers were hesitant because there was a liquidity problem with the bank. Now there's a loss of risk appetite with the banker basically. So meltdown is not because of lack of orders which we have. A lot of people have shut down their shop because of the lack of order. Fortunately, Dunlop till now has not faced that problem. We have been selling. Only this is a working capital problem basically. And that working capital problem, when we correlate with meltdown, is only because of the financial liquidity or the risk appetite with the bankers have basically.
আমরা এতক্ষণ সরাসরি মহাকরণে ছিলাম। শ্রমমন্ত্রী মৃণাল বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের সঙ্গে বৈঠক সেরে বেরিয়ে পবন রুইয়া ডানলপ ইস্যুতে সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি হয়েছিলেন। তিনি যেটা জানালেন যে আজকে তাদের যে ধরনের দাবি রয়েছে রাজ্যের কাছ থেকে ভাতা কিংবা অন্যান্য বিষয়, ব্যাংক থেকে লোন, সেই বিষয়ে আলোচনা হয়নি। আজকে সমস্ত আলোচনাটাই হয়েছে শ্রমিকদের স্বার্থ নিয়ে, শ্রমিকদের বিষয়ে আলোচনা হয়েছে। কলকাতা 24 ঘন্টা আপাতত এ পর্যন্ত। সঙ্গে থাকুন 24 ঘন্টা।